Okay, let's meet guys, the newly crowned first runner-up Ginoong San Pedro 2025. Please do the honor to introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I am Howard Hernandez Guerrero and I'm first runner-up as Ginoong San Pedro 2025.
Okay, here's the question. What are your plans for your reign as first runner-up Ginoong San Pedro 2025?
First, my plan, and I joined pageantries because I want to be an inspiration to everybody. So that's really my plan because I wanted to inspire people embracing their flaws and uniqueness. Just be confident about what you're doing and be proud of yourself. That no matter what you are experiencing right now, you can still do it.
Okay, how do you plan to uphold the values and responsibilities that come with this title?
I believe that this with Crown is a powerful blend of responsibility, leadership, and inspiration. And I will inherit this kind of crown, and I will pursue still my pageantry throughout the world. Thank you.
Okay, sino-sino ang mga gusto mong pasalamatan sa gabing ito?
Sa gabing ito, first, syempre, papasalamatan ko sa God kasi binigyan niya ako ng guide. Second is yung family ko na nag-support sa akin lagi. Third is my handler, Jobert Peñaroyo. He is the one that motivates me always, and there's my Q&A trainer. I am very dedicated and I'm very grateful to have her. And of course, lastly, the audience or my fans.
Okay, paki-flex po ang yung social media accounts for them to follow you.
Hi guys, Facebook account is Howard Guerrero and Instagram is at Howard@Guerrero06.
Okay, congrats!
Thank you.